Integral's dangerous good kits are specifically put together to protect truckies handling hazardous materials. Each kit includes the right safety gear for different types of dangerous goods, ensuring workers stay safe on the job. We have a kit for every single class except for classes 1 and classes 7. The full kit includes protective goggles, chemically resistant gloves and clothing, boots and heat-resistant gloves. There's also an eye wash kit and a first aid kit for emergencies, along with an intrinsically safe torch designed to be safe in explosive environments. Each of the kits are equipped with the needs of the corresponding class. If you're handling flammable liquids or just any other dangerous good, these kits offer the protection you need to safely handle these dangerous materials. We also stock emergency response guides which can be used in the kit if required.